Tnat soil and water conservation jong sorkar jylla mynta sngi ke pynlong iaka jingpynkupburom iaki Bhoi Ngut nongwanshah Hikai ban pyntbit ialade kum ki field assistant Haka kynhun kaba sau pakhandai lene kebalatip kum ka 49 Batch Filed Assistant Trainees iak bala pynlong ha Conservation Training Institute lene ke CTI Byrnihat Bhoi district. Napdeng kita ki Bhoi Ngut ki balala ban Pyndep ia ketika Hikai sangut kidai ki kenthai bat khan ngut kidai ki senrang hak bakhan arngut kidai na tnat soil and conservation jong sorkar jylla Assam arngut kidai na tnat forest jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Shillong laingut kidai na tnat forest jong Jingshah Hills Autonomous District Council Bhoi sangut kidai na tnat soil and water conservation South Gar Hills Division Bakmarah kuman suku deu khandiat baha kemas Sdang jong ketika batch kidan arpulai ngut Henry arngut kila pepno we bala sange nagadau jong jingbom dan ya kemet kabakot kabakya but we pat udi bopep bun sngi mat klemon Pyndep shu ya ketika training nalor ka jing Pyndep jongki ya ketika training ketenat kal airu ya ki Synod jong jing Pyndep jongki ya ketika training shushu la airu ya ki khusnam ki bakarpang nak benta ki bele baha ha ketika training kum ke jingwan poi tikana sya ki caka Hikai ka jingbyang kapor kum ke jing ilekai ka social work ka discipline bat kiwe nalur kita ki balala ban Pyndep ya ke training ha ke sngi lai don langru ki officer na kitana sorkar paper kentup de ya ki bahayang hasem jong ki bashim training kentup de ru ya menteri ke sorkar Jillang beripe ya ke tnat soil and water conservation Usri Markus N Marak ikong Airanja ibni director ke soil and water conservation Isri Meti M Momin ibni additional director ke soil and water conservation uba Oti Lungwa ubadi officer in charge jong ke soil and water conservation research and training CTI Byrnihat uba ABS Swear ubadi joint director headquarter jong ke soil and water conservation bat kiwe
are the foundation of life and meet all human needs while protecting the environment and civilization. Unfortunately, these two precious natural resources are often overlooked and neglected. And we are facing land degradation, soil erosion, decreasing fresh water availability due to the ever-increasing population and demand for land and water resources. Conserving natural resources is crucial, especially in the face of the changing climates in Meghalaya. In Meghalaya we are blessed with abundant rainfall, but most of it flows away without being harvested. We need to ensure water availability for present and future generations. As the impacts of climate change exacerbate the water crisis with erratic rainfall patterns, prolonged dry spells, and increased temperatures, we must develop adaptation strategies to cope with climate change impacts and integrate water conservation practices into all developmental activities, including infrastructure development, mining and tourism. To ensure the sustainability of water resources in Meghalaya, we need to implement a comprehensive and coordinated approach involving all stakeholders, including government, civil society, private sector, local communities. We must work together to ensure Meghalaya has a sustainable and secure water future. The Soil and Water Conservation Department in ensuring sustainable development and protecting our environment. The Conservation Training Institute is a premier training institute that offers courses and training programs related to natural resource management, soil and water conservation, ecotourism. Today I am delighted to witness a group of young individuals graduating from this esteemed institute who have gained various knowledge and skills to make a significant impact in the communities they serve. Throughout your training, you have gained valuable knowledge and skills that will enable you to make a significant impact in the communities you serve. You have learned about various techniques and practices that can be used to conserve soil, prevent erosion, and maintain the fertility of our land. You have also gained a deep understanding of the environmental challenges we face and the ways in which we can work together to address them. But your training is only the beginning of your journey. As soil and conservation assistants, you will face many challenges and obstacles as you work to protect our environment and promote sustainable development. You will need to be innovative, proactive, and dedicated to succeed. Fortunately, you have the support of the Soil and Water Conservation Department and the wider community. You will be joining a team of experienced professionals, passionate about their work and committed to supporting them as you begin your careers. You will also be part of larger movement towards sustainability, gaining momentum around the world.
Providing training to the field functionaries of the department and allied organizations of the state, as well as of other departments and organizations from the northeastern states. During this batch, a total of 23 trainees were nominated for the session, out of which 21 number of trainees have successfully completed, in which one of the trainees had to be relieved early during the course due to ill health, and the other one remained absent while taking leave after attending classes for a short period. Of the successful completed trainees, 12 trainees are from the Soil Construction Department, Government of Assam, 2 number of trainees from Khasiel Autonomous District Council, the Department of Forest, Shillong, and 3 numbers of trainees are from the Department of Forest, Chante Hills Autonomous District Council, Bhoi, and 4 trainees are from the Sorkar Soil and Water Conservation Division, Batmara. Of all the 21 trainees, 5 trainees are female candidates and 16 trainees are male candidates. The theory and practical classes for the trainees were taken up meticulously. The subjects covered in this training course are agronomy, soil science, botany, soil and water conservation engineering, silviculture, survey and leveling, forest engineering, forest conservation, forest utilization, wildlife, forest law, and accounts and procedure. In addition to classroom teaching, the trainees were also exposed to project assignments, physical training, classes, games and sports, and social work. Maintenance of discipline and conduct is also given utmost importance for the development of the trainees, both physically and mentally. Study tours were also conducted to enable the trainees to visit, see and learn about different activities being implemented in the field to expand their knowledge and broaden their horizons. This batch was taken on study tour both within the state and outside the state to the following places: the Northeast Cane and Bamboo Development Council, Byrnihat, Assam, Margar Range Office, Soil and Water Conservation Department, Meghalaya, in the Bhoi district, ICAR in Umyang, Meghalaya, the project sites of Nongpoh Territorial Division, the Soil Water Conservation Department of Meghalaya.